by side in this world so wide. Hearts open wide, together is stride. Through the highs and lows, the love always grows. In laughter and prose, a bond that only glows. Our circle of friends, the love never ends. Our joy it extends, in every moment it blends. Hold each other tight, in the darkest night. In the morning light, we rise to new heights. Memories we share, together we care. With courage we dare, our friendship lays bare. Our circle of friends, the love never ends. Our joy it extends, in every moment it blends. Through the highs and lows, the love always grows. In laughter and prose, a bond that only glows. Our circle